Can you make a giant slime, please? Okay, start with glue. Oh my gosh. Pray for my floor, please. God. Shaving cream? I want it to be fluffy, so we're gonna go with a lot. Okay, I think that's enough. Let's mix. Oh no. Hope I don't regret this. This is gonna be fluffy. I think I wanna do blue because I'm a boy. Apparently I'm not supposed to like pink. A few drops. There it is. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. I'm gonna add activator. I'm scared. It's starting. I'm getting tired. Whoa, okay. More activator. Whoa. Yeah! It's like this. Oh, yes! Yeah. Ah. Whew. Whoa. Ah, so fun. Whoa. Whew. This is so hard. Harder than I thought. Whoa. Yeah. So fun. Ooh, I did. Ooh. I was like a hooker in church.